Sometimes our expectations are so great that they don't quite end up lining up with reality. Let's see what hopes and dreams can lead to in today's episode of Expectations versus Reality. Morning, Jess. Has anyone ever called you out on taking forever to get ready? Ooh, I used to love this dress. Why did I ever stop wearing it? It still looks perfect. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Okay, let's see what I've got in this closet of mine. How about this oversized hoodie? Ooh, ugh, that's not gonna work. And this top is tied so tight from the last time I wore it, I can't even untie it. What was I thinking when I bought this? The color's all wrong, and it fits like a shapeless sack. I feel you, Jessica. Full closet and nothing to wear. Age-old tale. Hey, Ben. What's for lunch? A juicy, marbled, medium-rare steak seasoned with Italian herbs? I could definitely go for that. And so could I. Just gonna put on my ninja chef headgear, grab my carnivore samurai sword, and your robin egg blue housewife frying pan. This is gonna be my best meal yet. And I won't forget the salt this time. Why go to the store? Spend time picking out the perfect cut, stand in line, sweat at the stove, and wash a million dishes when there's ramen. Enjoy your ninja quick meal, Ben. There's nothing more romantic than going over to his house for a home-cooked dinner for the first time ever. Exquisite beverages, candlelight, finally speaking heart to heart. Everyone is on their best behavior, shy but excited for things to come. Is he gonna kiss me? Oh, I'm definitely gonna kiss her. Kiss me already. Oh, I will. To us. I'm so glad I met you. Wait a second. Everything looks the same. Where's the reality part? Oh, there it is. Jessica, I'm so sorry. I think I caught a cold. And I think I just caught all of your germs. Here's another scenario. Dirty teeth. Ben, what's wrong? Do I have something in my teeth? I'm afraid it's gonna take more than that, honey. Boys always try and act as cool as possible on the first date. And often, this kind of behavior backfires. Another important first date rule is keeping up eye contact with your date. Hey, Ben, I think someone's trying to get your attention. Oh, sorry. How about that kiss? Ben, I think we all know that's off the menu. And now for one of our top first date horror scenarios. Finding out your date is more interested in what's on the table rather than in you. Slow down, girl. And Ben, be a gentleman. Call her an Uber. Blogs, influencers, television, social media. Sometimes it's all just chock full of lies. Beautiful lies, but still lies. Jess, however, thinks this time will be an exception. After all, she plans on following the tutorial to a T. Alright, Jess, let's see what happens. Looks like you're doing a pretty good job and might just be alright. Orange and hot pink? And hot pink lips? Jess, that might be a bit much, don't you think? Oh no! Who is that clown staring back at me. It looks like it escaped straight from a horror movie. How could I have been so dumb? I look like a 5-year-old did my makeup. Millions of men and women go to the gym every single day. So why not join forces and try exercising together? Maybe couples that work out together stay together. Great job, guys! I can already see that muscle definition. Uh-oh. Is this what working out together really looks like? New bumps and bruises instead of muscles? Come on, honey. We can do this.
Natalie, you can't be serious. I'm shaking like a leaf and it's not because I'm scared.
Babe, we just need a bit more practice and we'll be just like those fitness gurus in the exercise videos. Come on, babe. Just hold me up.
My back hurts so bad, like it's getting sawed.
Hold me closer, Ben. Don't let go. Don't ever let go.
Why don't you hold me? Then you'll see what it's like to want to throw your one true love on the floor and run away as fast as possible.
Wouldn't it be nice if we would just sit down straight at the table after coming home from school, finish up all of our homework, do some extra credit, maybe even that essay due next week, and still have time to actually see our friends? Maybe even that thriller that just came out.
Math, bio, English, physics, all done. I'm really living up to my glasses.
Unfortunately, Ben's little academic scholar fantasy isn't quite living up to his reality.
When did the teacher ever mention this? Maybe if I spin around, the velocity will jog my memory. Cosine? Isn't that how my dad almost went bankrupt?
How's it going, Ben? Maybe you've got temporary amnesia, and if you distract yourself, all those lectures will come back to you eventually.
I know. This is all happening because I'm hungry. It's literally making my brain shut down. I can't believe I tried to do my homework on an empty stomach. That cheesy goodness. According to my calculations, all those calories will go straight to my brain.
Looks like they bypassed your brain and went straight to your notebook. Good luck, Ben. You're gonna need it. Oh, Natalie. She is one pretty lady. Her hair is amazing. But she's also one of those types that doesn't need to flaunt it. She could probably just wake up, go, and still look as good. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Ponytail. Pineapple. Headband. Look at her go. The girl on the left probably looks just as good with bedhead, too. Unfortunately, that girl on the left is Natalie's ideal version of herself. The real Natalie spent a ton of time putting her hair up all right, but it just never quite came together. What's a great way of starting off your morning? Exercise! That's right, Natalie. Get those endorphins flowing, tone those glutes, and don't forget about those PC muscles. A little running in place for some cardio. Some much-needed stretching. Ooh, looks like $1 Million Baby's got nothing on our Natalie. You go, girl! And this is what the real Natalie's workout looks like. What made me think it was a good idea to get up this early in the morning? Okay, maybe I'll do some push-ups as long as I'm here. Or maybe not. I think Natalie's decided to go back to dreaming about working out instead. Rise and shine, Jessica. There's really nothing better than waking up in a beautiful, organized home. And look at that crown! Looks like Jess is a real-life Cinderella. Who better than her knows the value of hard work? Now that's more like it. Food you were binging on at 1 a.m. strewn all over the dresser. Bed riddled with crumbs. Wait, are those marshmallows? Oh, Jess, you haven't even seen the rest of the room yet. Maybe this morning isn't so bad. No, this is pretty bad. Why do I do this to myself? Just once. Can't I clean up so I don't end up waking up in a pigsty? Starting tomorrow, I vow to clean up this mess once and for all. It's blooper time! Hit that subscribe button, share ideas for fun with your friends, and comment down below how close you are to that ideal version of yourself.